When it comes to beautiful landscapes, mountains and water make the perfect combination. And KHAO SOK has that in abundance. So today we're going to KHAO SOK, a national park about 2 hours west of Khao Lak. It has two sides, one for nature trails and hiking, and the other side's a lake. And that's the side we're going to be visiting today.
We can't wait to see all the beautiful limestone mountains, and we're going to take you with us. So come along.
We are Kendra and David, an American couple who sold everything to travel the world and experience all it has to offer. The pandemic left us stranded in Thailand, but our journey is far from over. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow us throughout Thailand and throughout the world. Each new episode will help you imagine, plan, and live your travel dreams. So let's get started. We traveled to KHAO SOK National Park from Khao Lak. We were in Khao Lak taking boat tours to the Mainland Islands and to the Surin Islands. Two trips we highly recommend you take when you're in the area.
Look at that. Driving to KHAO SOK is just gorgeous.
We drove to Ratchaprapha Pier to hire a boat to show us around the area. Luckily, some fellow travelers offered to include us on their boat tour, which helped reduce the costs dramatically. This national park is huge, spanning around 739 square kilometers, housing a lot of unique plants and wildlife. The park is best known for its picturesque mountain ranges that range from about 400 to 900 meters tall, or about 1,300 to 2,900 feet tall. These mountains were created at the same time as the Himalayas, over 40 million years ago. However, this lake has not always been here. This lake was created just in 1982 when they decided to build a dam for the purpose of creating hydroelectric power for the south of Thailand. The addition of the lake is what makes KHAO SOK such a beautiful destination and one of the most popular mainland national parks in the country.
So while we were on that tour, I couldn't stop going like, it's pretty, that's pretty. I didn't know where to look. Everywhere you looked was so pretty. So I was constantly like this back and forth. It was crazy beautiful.
We cruised around the lake until we reached the Three Friends. The Three Friends are three limestone pillars, great for getting pictures like this. It's a bit of a famous spot, so there was a little bit of a boat queue waiting to get some great shots. was off to one of the national park's restaurants and floating bungalow accommodations.
This is very nice. It's beautiful out here. To me, it's like looking at the Grand Canyon, but upside down.
We chilled out there, fed the fish, and enjoyed the marvelous views.
And out of nowhere, it began to rain.
Perfect timing.
The park is a rainforest, so a rain shower is quite common. We feel lucky though that on the same trip we got to see the park both while sunny and while misty, foggy, and somewhat mystical.
So a 2-hour tour cost 2,000 baht. But luckily, some very kind strangers invited us along on their boat. So we only wound up paying 250 per person, so 500 baht in total to get on the 2-hour tour. So it's nice if you get here, you can share with some people you meet. And it costs 300 baht per person for the national park fee. It's raining again, but doesn't matter. We're enjoying the view way too much.
Views here are stunning. Just seeing them in person just adds something to it. I mean, it's spectacular to see these rock formations. They're just unbelievable. It's kind of like standing over the Grand Canyon to see these things. It's just amazing. So, yeah. And I think if you're this close to Phuket, you should definitely come out this way. And Koh Lak, you should definitely come out this way and see this area. It's stunning, it's unbelievable, and I'm so glad we took the time to stop by. This was unexpected for me. I didn't think that just coming out a couple of more hours would be worth the trip, but it has been, and so I'm very grateful that we came out here, had a chance to see this area.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So if you enjoyed seeing KHAO SOK with us, please remember to give the video a like and leave us a comment about what do you think about all these beautiful rock formations. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can follow our journey throughout Thailand and throughout the rest of the world. As always, thanks so much for watching and take care till next time. Bye guys!